Picture this, a creature gliding through the depths of the ocean, its sleek body reaching lengths of up to 40 feet. The Tylosaurus, a fearsome marine reptile, ruled the waters during the late Cretaceous period. With a skull filled with razor-sharp teeth, it was designed for one purpose: hunting. This apex predator didn't just prey on smaller fish, it took on massive prey, including other marine reptiles. Its powerful tail propelled it through the water with incredible speed, making it a relentless hunter. Imagine encountering this colossal beast, its eyes glinting as it stalked the shadows of the deep. The Tylosaurus wasn't just a predator, it was a symbol of the ocean's raw power and mystery. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a Tylosaurus? The Tylosaurus was a species of mosasaur, a large marine reptile that dominated the oceans during the late Cretaceous period, around 85 to 66 million years ago. Imagine a massive, predatory reptile that resembled a mix between a crocodile and a shark with the body of a serpent. At an average length of 30 to 40 feet, some specimens reached over 45 feet. The Tylosaurus was built for speed and power. Its long, streamlined body and powerful tail allowed it to swiftly navigate the ancient seas, while its skull was adapted to seize prey with brutal efficiency. Unlike many reptiles, Tylosaurus had limbs that evolved into paddles, allowing it to steer and maneuver like a modern-day predator, propelling itself toward unsuspecting prey. Its most distinguishing feature? The long, conical snout extending from the front of its skull. This characteristic ramming snout likely helped the Tylosaurus to surprise and stun its prey with forceful blows, giving it a crucial edge in hunting. The story of Tylosaurus discovery begins in the 19th century when paleontologists stumbled upon its fossilized remains in North America. It was a time when the scientific community was just beginning to understand the prehistoric world. The first fossils of Tylosaurus were found in Kansas, an area that may surprise many of you. During the Cretaceous period, much of central North America was covered by a shallow sea, known as the Western Interior Seaway, making this region a prime location for marine fossils. In 1872, the famous paleontologist Edward Drinker Cope named this fearsome reptile Tylosaurus after its unique snout, as tylos means knob or protuberance in Greek, while sauros translates to lizard. Since its discovery, fossil remains of Tylosaurus have been found in many locations, including Alabama, Nebraska, and even parts of Canada. These fossil sites have yielded some of the most well-preserved and spectacular specimens of marine reptiles in the world, allowing scientists to piece together the puzzle of this oceanic terror. Now, let's talk about what truly makes Tylosaurus the ultimate predator. As an apex predator, it occupied the top of the food chain with no natural enemies except for potentially other mosasaurs. Tylosaurus fed on a wide variety of prey, and its diet was as terrifying as its appearance. Fossilized stomach contents have provided invaluable clues. Inside these remains, scientists found bones of fish, ammonites, sharks, other marine reptiles, and even birds like the ancient Hesperornis. One of the most astonishing discoveries came when researchers found the bones of other mosasaurs inside the remains of a Tylosaurus, suggesting it was not afraid to attack and consume its own kind. This behavior demonstrates how competitive and aggressive this species could be in its quest for dominance in the ancient seas. The jaws of Tylosaurus were particularly deadly. Equipped with up to 50 conical sharp teeth, it could rip apart even the toughest of prey. Its jaws were connected by a double-hinged structure, allowing it to open its mouth incredibly wide, similar to the way modern-day snakes can unhinge their jaws. This adaptation allowed the Tylosaurus to swallow prey whole or in massive chunks, making it an effective killing machine. Every part of the Tylosaurus body was built for predation and survival. Let's break it down. The skull and jaws. As we mentioned, its jaws housed rows of serrated teeth designed to slice through flesh and bone. But its skull was also reinforced to deliver ramming blows, which could incapacitate or kill prey instantly. Paddles for limbs. While its large paddle-like limbs weren't built for walking, they were perfect for steering and stabilizing the creature while it swam. This gave Tylosaurus a high degree of agility, allowing it to make sharp turns in pursuit of prey. A powerful tail. Tylosaurus' tail was long and muscular and likely ended in a fluke, much like the tails of modern-day sharks. This powerful tail was the primary source of propulsion, enabling it to reach remarkable speeds to ambush prey. Enhanced senses. The Tylosaurus, like modern-day predators, likely possessed keen senses. Its eyes were adapted to seeing in the dim light of deep ocean waters, while its sense of smell allowed it to detect prey from considerable distances. In the ancient ecosystem of the Cretaceous seas, Tylosaurus played a vital role in maintaining the balance of marine life. It served as a regulator of populations, keeping prey species like fish, ammonites, and other reptiles in check. By preying on a variety of animals, Tylosaurus ensured that no single species could dominate the ecosystem, allowing for greater biodiversity. However, this delicate balance didn't last forever. As the Cretaceous period came to a close, around 66 million years ago, a catastrophic event, the same one that wiped out the dinosaurs on land, brought an end to the reign of Tylosaurus. The asteroid impact near present-day Yucatan Peninsula, Mexico, likely caused massive tsunamis, drastic changes in ocean temperatures, and a collapse of the food chain. The oceans, once teeming with life, became hostile, leading to the extinction of many marine reptiles, including Tylosaurus. One common misconception people have is confusing the Tylosaurus with other marine reptiles, like the famous Plesiosaurus or Ichthyosaurus. While these creatures were impressive in their own right, Tylosaurus was not related to them. Plesiosaurus, for example, had long necks and small heads, whereas Tylosaurus had a massive skull and a more streamlined body. Another misconception is that Tylosaurus lived alongside dinosaurs like Tyrannosaurus rex. While it's true that both lived during the Cretaceous, Tylosaurus inhabited the oceans, while T-Rex ruled the land. They never encountered one another. The legacy of Tylosaurus is nothing short of captivating. Imagine gliding through the Cretaceous seas, where this colossal predator ruled with unmatched ferocity. With its streamlined body and powerful jaws, Tylosaurus was a master of the hunt, dominating the oceanic food chain. Its fossils reveal a story of survival in a world fraught with peril, where only the most formidable thrived. Though it vanished millions of years ago, Tylosaurus remains a symbol of nature's raw power and adaptability, reminding us of the fierce battles fought beneath the waves. Its legacy endures, a testament to the relentless spirit of life in the ancient oceans. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the world of the Tylosaurus, the ocean's deadliest predator. If you enjoy learning about this incredible creature, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Amazing World Facts, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another adventure into the prehistoric world.